What's up, what's up? Welcome to another video. A lot of people have asked what's happening to Crash Bandicoot. Well, we can't get Jason to do anything on that car. He's too busy wasting his money on his wagon. So, John the Best is my neighbour, and he's like, come on mate, we need to film a real car, a Holden. So we've got a HT. We haven't got a name for this car yet. So I'm going to flip the camera around, show you a bit of stuff. John is an amazing craftsmanship. He's an amazing craftsman. And have a look. We can just show you a couple of. He's made the old spare wheel.
There's the oldie.
There's the oldie. And this is what he's made up after hours with his own steel. We don't want to bloody amazing.
So it's a little bit different.
It's made for a 9-inch spare wheel. He's got new old stock guards. He's repaired the 2 doors. She's coming along nicely. He's showing me how to do stuff because obviously I have no idea. If I bought a car that was a part like this, I would not want to touch it for the life of me. I wouldn't know where to start. That's why I've got a neighbour that knows what's going on. No, it doesn't fit, mate.
Yeah, it's still tapping around.
Come on, mate.
Still want to tap around and get it right.
So if you want to see some cool content on this beast, this is going to be on a rotisserie and he's going to go full through it. I want him to fully tub it now, but he's too scared about roadies and rego and all that sort of stuff. I said, don't worry about it. We know people that do stuff and things. So comment down below. Should we tub it straight away? Should we tub it, Johnny?
I want to tub it straight away.
And he can tub it. He's got these skills.
Tub it and 4-link it. Well, he's getting 4-link. Let's just wait till I get it ready.
Don't worry about it. We'll get it roadie. So stick around, like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you want to see, build-wise, fabrication-wise, because he does it all. Treat yourself. You won't. Shut up, John.
Okay. I'll let me hammer it fucking home on the week, on Monday. That fucked me. So I wasn't happy about that. You know when you just got your favourite tools, you know it?
Yep. All right, where are we, John? You've left me hanging again. You've still got. We're fixing it with tech screws, are we?
Yeah.
You can tell a plumber's been doing this work. John's. He thought he'd hit me up 3 weeks after he started his build on the car and said, "Oh, maybe we should do a YouTube video on it." I'm like, "Well, that's a great idea, mate. How about we start when you're about to put the paint on it, eh?"
Yeah, paint on it.
So he has been very busy. I'll put all the photos up of all his body work and all that. This is Tilly. Kicks me in the dick every time I come in the driveway. Makes all the noise so we can't hear what's going on. He's currently repaired the doors. He's got 2 brand new old stock guards and tail light buckets. The car is running a injected 5-litre EFI. And yes, we're about to pull this off so we can fix the wheel tub and all that sort of stuff. He's already made the wheel tub. So this is how efficient this guy is. And if you want any work done once this car's finished, get in touch with me and my DMs. And he'd love to fix your car for you for a reasonable price. What are you, $180 an hour?
I wish. It'd be nice.
All right, we'll start at $150 and we'll work our way up. All right, we need a name for this car. I just called it Kermit. It'll probably stick because I talk that much shit. So stick around, stay tuned for the build. And you got to go, you won't. All right, Gary, jump in it. Check if it's in neutral. Righto, hit the key, Sean. Oh, yep. Yep, see if it starts. What? What?
Sounds like a car now.
Sounds like a car. See if it revs. Go. Oh, one more, go on. There you go, son. Are you joking?
It's running.
Back from the dead, son. No bird shit on it. Amazing. Treat yourselves. Time to do skids. There's a few things I've got to fix up, but yeah, should be right.
But first, we need to find a paddock.
I need a paddock. All right. Okay. Turn it off. I think that's... The balance has just flown off. It literally just happened then. It's all right, we'll fix it up. We need to balance up. Yeah, we're in the XY, believe it or not. We're about 30 minutes out of Bright. Got a nice new steering wheel that I've loaned off Jason, which is really weird because I'm used to a wheel about that much smaller. So stay tuned. See how good this weekend is. Oh, there's old mate, he's got all the old cars over there. Cruising with some tough cars, so like, comment, subscribe, stick around, you won't. Memories, boys. Good Uber. Oh, Nath, there you go, back, mate. It's not why not steering. Go on, you can hard park and be a bloody hotshot.